guys, it's Bunnies and welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be unboxing a BOXYCHARM box, and if you guys don't know what a BOXYCHARM box is and you're like, what the heck is that, Bunnies? It's basically a makeup subscription box that you pay $25 every month for, and kind of whatever they choose is what goes in there, so it's always a mystery and it's definitely different. So I just got my January BOXYCHARM box and I'm really excited. I've gotten these boxes for like, I don't know, maybe like 5 months now, 6 months, something like that, and I like them. I don't know, it's just cool to get like random stuff that I would probably never get because maybe it was too expensive or something like that I can get in like a box where it's like 25 bucks, you know what I mean? So I thought it'd be fun to do it this time with you, where I unboxed it with you guys. I just like unboxing things with you guys. I don't know, it's just fun for me. So I hope you guys like the video, and let's open the box. So I honestly don't know what's in this month's BOXYCHARM box, and oh. Well, I open it and I literally open just like this. It just goes whoop. So it has a little card which basically describes everything that's in it. So this month it's Rock and Roll Soul, and it comes with a Dr. Brandt Pores No More. Say that 5 times fast. Pores no more, pores no more, pores no more, blah, blah, blah. What? New tongue twister. So it says Luminizer Primer. Luminizer Primer delivers a natural, radiant glow while blurring pores and imperfections for a beautifully illuminated, flawless complexion. So, I mean, I'm not mad at that. And that retails for $38, so that's pretty cool. Then it comes with a IT Cosmetics Brow Power Universal Eyebrow Pencil. And do you guys see these things? I don't know if I need an eyebrow pencil, but I'm not mad at it. Developed with plastic surgeons, IT Cosmetics' #1 best-selling award-winning eyebrow pencil is infused with brow-enhancing biotin, green tea, antioxidants, grapeseed, vitamin A, B5, C, and E. What the hell, are we feeding our body or our eyebrows? I don't know what's going on anymore. Which retails for $24. And then there's a Crown Pro Glam Metals palette. Rock your look with the Crown Pro Glam Metals eyeshadow palette. These are highly pigmented, ultra blendable shadows. Make a smoky eye look like a breeze. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I'm not really one to be crazy when it comes to like eyeshadows and like do all the crazy like dark smoky looks. I don't know, I just don't feel like I'm good at it, and I don't feel like it looks that great on me. So we'll see if I use that. And then it comes with the Pure Bronze and Brighten Cheek Palette and On The Glow Highlighter Bronzer Blush Palette. Oh, that's cool, okay. And then there's a Grande Cosmetics Grande Lips Hydrating Lip Plumper. Oh god, this lip plumper infused with Volulip and hyaluronic acid instantly improves lip volume within 3 to 5 minutes. Oh god. Little backstory. I have like no lips. I mean, I wouldn't say I have no lips, but I have very like little lips. I don't have like Angelina Jolie lips, and I always wanted Angelina Jolie lips ever since I was little. Like ever since I saw Tomb Raider, I literally looked to my mom, I was like, Mom, can I get a lip job for my lips? And she was like, what? So I've tried the lip plumpers and they burn and they don't usually have the greatest effect, but let's see what's in the box. Here is the Grande Lips Hydrating Plumper, which I might just want to try with you guys because I don't know, it might just be funny to like watch me get my lips burned off. But increases volume, hydration, and smoothness. It's Midnight Purple is the look. Oh look at this, is the before and afters. It's saying this is what you should look like, or this is what you look like, this is what you'll end up looking like, I think, something like that. So I'm not the biggest like purple lip kind of gal, but ooh, this looks scary. It comes in like a metal container and I'm scared. Alright, let me wipe whatever I have on my lips off. And I'm assuming you just turn it. Continue to turn it. I see the little bit of like stuff coming up. Am I turning it right? Oh no, I'm turning it right. Oh god. I think you're supposed to do that. Bella's gonna be so mad at me for making this noise. Hello? Oh look, it's working! It's coming up. Just taking a little, oh god. Oh, just kind of made its appearance like randomly. All right, so we're gonna use that much. I don't know if you guys can see it, but let's see. Doesn't really smell like anything. Oh God, my lips are so, oh man. Definitely doesn't go with how I look right now. Doesn't really taste like anything or smell like anything. Like it smells like something, but it's not like really like a smell. I don't know. So we have to wait 3 to 5 minutes and see if we have plumper lips. I don't know. And then we have the brow powder eyebrow pencil from It Cosmetics. And it's Universal Taupe is the color. So let's see, what the heck? Okay, didn't want the piece of paper. Okay, oh, this looks really fancy. Like listen to this, you guys. This is like ASMR, ASMR material. Oh, this is really fancy. All right, so you twist it up. Oh, what the, oh God. Why? Why am I like this? So there's a spoolie on one end and, oh, it just turns up. Okay, oh, it turns up and you just click it and then it comes up and that's what it looks like. It's not a point, which is pretty interesting to me. It's not like a pointy edge, it's like a straight flat edge. And, well, it's not very like dark. I mean, it could be made dark, but like, that's what it looks like after like, so it's nice. I just don't know if I need it, but I might give it to somebody. Like I might give it to like aunt, sister or something. Like, hey, do you like fill in your eyebrows? Because I probably should fill in like certain areas of my eyebrow because they're probably kind of crazy, but I don't. I just use like an eyebrow gel to make everything not go crazy. So then we have the Dr. Brandt Pore Illuminizer. Ooh, and I want to see how this looks. Oh God, oh, what the heck? All right, it's like the color of it is like, I don't know if you guys can see it. My camera's not gonna focus very well, but it's like, looks skin tone. And then, I'm just gonna see what happens. And my lips, by the way, are burning. Like my top lip burns. Not like the most uncomfortable burn, but definitely not the most comfortable burn either. So the primer feels really thick. And so, I don't know if you could tell, here's the primer right there. And here's the non-primer primed one. Anyways, moving on. Then we have the Pure Bronze and Brightener right here. Hi, Belle. Do you want to come say hi? I just gave Bella a bath night. Oh, and I got her a new collar too. Look at, isn't she so cute? Here's a new collar. She had a pink one, but now she has a blue one. Oh, hi. Don't smell my lips. Don't get that on your nose. It's gonna burn you. This is what it looks like. That's my camera. Say hello to the camera. So that's what it looks like. Let's try the highlighter. How this turns out. What the heck? Oh, wow. Well, that's the highlighter. Here's the Glam Metals by Crown. And it's a pretty cool box. It's like a slide out palette, which is cool. And then there's 9 shades. Whoa. They're really cool shades. Very like interesting palette. I think that my favorite thing out of this box is definitely the primer, just because I always put a primer on, so I'll definitely use it. Also, I've had this on the whole time, so I don't know if my lips look any plumper. You guys can let me know and tell me that. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to give it a big old thumbs up. And if you're new, hit that sub button with your bunny paw. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!